we have a problem to rescue those who are still down there. And we already have a challenge of resources. We are not having resources because of issues of corruption in KCCA. Honourable Speaker, my prayer is, can this parliament be exemplary? You have a budget to move around this country, to have regional parliamentary sittings. I'm told, and yet to confirm, because I know it's very difficult even now as members of parliament, we don't know the budget of this parliament, because we don't have access to it. So I request, I'm told you have a budget to do regional parliamentary sittings from Gulu, Mbarara, Mbale and Masaka. My prayer is, can we be exemplary and sacrifice that money to rescue the people in Mwada's constituency? That's my humble prayer.